Hello everybody, today I am going to bed liner my truck. Yes, I said that, bed liner. And with what? Using Harbor Freight Tool bed liner. It comes in these gallon jug things, looks like something that you'd buy from Home Depot. I don't know anything about this stuff. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I hope it's gonna turn out good because I'm gonna put some effort into it. My plan is to sand everything down, clean it all up with some kind of alcohol rub or whatever, and then I'm gonna roll it on. Actually, roll it on. Yeah, I know. They say they give you an option. You can roll it on or you can spray it on. I'm gonna do the easy option and roll it on because I feel like that's what most of the people are gonna be doing anyways, is rolling it on. So first, what we're gonna do is we're going to clean all of that off. Clean all the salt off because I have been driving it around. It is my daily driver. It would be a much easier way to just run it through a car wash, but as you can see, it is freezing out here. So if I ran this through a car wash, I'm sure before I even got out of the car wash it would be frozen. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it all off. So we have this stuff now. We are going to take the sanding disc or palm sander or whatever you want to call it, and then I'm going to sand it all down nicely. The molding or the panels or whatever you want to call them, little fairings or fender flares or whatever you want to call them, when I took those off, there's a bunch of holes left over. So I'm still debating what to do. I think I'm just going to put some tape over them and just bed liner on top of that. Starting to look good.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll fly. We'll fly away, away, away. Yeah, we'll
So that's the end of the video, everybody. I don't know. I honestly think that it is a fantastic product. I would brush my teeth with it if it was an option, to be totally honest with you. This stuff is fantastic. It rolls on easily. It looks cool. It's inexpensive. I'm not telling you to go buy it. If you are rich and you have $1 million laying around, go buy something really expensive and let me know what it looks like. That would be fantastic. Another thing, I can't tell you how durable it is or how scratch proof it is. So far I can't tell you much because I just put it on. Find me on Facebook. Yes, Facebook. It's a cool thing. I post my stuff up there every day. Almost, that's a lie. Sometimes every day. Most of the time, maybe like one time a week, I don't know. Once a week, one time a week. Subscribe, see my next video. I have a few things planned out. We'll see. Time will tell. I'm going to try to bust them out as soon as I can because winter is almost over. And what does that mean, guys? That means wheeling time. And once we go out wheeling, I want this thing to be ready to go. What are your thoughts on this whole bed liner thing? Is it something that you guys would do? And if you already have done it, let me know. Post a picture or something like that on my Facebook. That'd be great. I'd love to see it. So thanks again, guys, for watching. Have a good rest of your day.